to Tots Melody House. Today, we ride the Subtraction Train. Choo-choo! Let's learn subtraction together. Choo-choo! Let's go!
9 balloons, take away 4. How many are left?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
7 birds minus 2. Let's count what's left. 6 candies. 1 rolls away. How many now?
8 snowflakes minus 3. Count the rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Subtraction is fun with you.
Great job, kids! See you in the next adventure on Tots Melody House.